Hey guys, welcome back to edition 1, and today I'll be replacing the expansion tank on my Camry Sxv10 1996 model. So you can see that the expansion tank is quite bad. I mean, it's like chipping off on the sides, probably because of the heat and the age. It's a 30-year-old car. The inside's quite bad as well. You can see the rust water has actually integrated itself to the plastic, and so we'll be replacing this. And after we got a replacement, well, it doesn't look new, but it's from the half cut. So you can see it's an original Denso made in Japan. There were new ones, but most of them were from China, and the plastics were quite soft. But this is really hard. You can see it's the original, and the insides are definitely clean. So we'll be replacing this today. Remove the cover, and do you see this retainer clip here? You got to push that to the back and wiggle it out. Okay, right, so here you go. And do you see this snip here? Yes, that sits into that rubber grommet down there. It goes into that. Okay, so we'll be putting in the new one now. And put back the cover, and that's it. You're done. So that is all for today. Quite simple, took me less than 1 minute. So that's the first thing that I've done for the car since I purchased it, and there'll be a lot more things coming up, so stay tuned guys, and do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.